Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to send a schedule message on Telegram. Firstly guys, what you need to do is to open a chat that you want to schedule a message and send to them. For example, this one. Now when you send a message, you need just to type something, for example, hello. Then you don't need now to tap on the right side that is for sending. You need just to go on it and just hold and wait to appear the two sides that are on the first side that says schedule message. Click on it, and now guys, here you can schedule this message when we wanna send on the chat. For example, we're going for today at, I don't know, maybe, or we are going on the next day and go send on this day, and on this clock go send it. And now guys, as you can see, we have sent it a scheduled message on Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.